have a seat right there, and I need Miss Brown and Miss Trent to come up here. This is my fault. I skipped a step here. I didn't have the party sign the order. Apologize, that is completely on me. So Miss Brown, what I need to have you do is sign and date right here. Today is 11/15 of 12. Mr. Bjorn, I need to have you sign and date right here. You're not signing that you agree with the decision here today, merely that you were here when I entered the order. Today is 11/15 of 12.
Your Honor, I noticed that I'm not sure that you filled in the section for directing it to law enforcement.
I'll take a look at that.
Okay.
Thank you. Well, I'll look at it. I'm thinking that's a part my clerk fills in. Not my clerk, the civil clerk, once she figures out which where the residences are. But I'll take a look.
So, I get all of the points of this, you know, not being around her and everything.
Mm-hmm.
But how would I as a person go about securing my ability to stay out of jail by not seeing her if she is actually attempting to survey me and follow me around?
If you see her anywhere, you just walk the other direction. If you enter a store and she's there, you just turn around and you leave.
I'm not going to get in trouble if I just leave.
As long as you do that, you're not in violation of the order. It has to be a willful act, so if you accidentally come upon her, you just turn around and leave, and you're not in violation.
Then if she does see me and claim that I didn't willfully leave, will she be required to have actual proof and evidence next time in order to
No, they don't require evidence. They just prosecute whoever they want. Are you
Yeah.
seriously want an answer to that, or are you just continue to make your point?
Because there wasn't any proof given for November 15th. And,
Oh my gosh.
and it's same thing. It's going to happen again. She's going to claim that I'm stalking her and going to try and get me arrested.
Well, she's not going to need to do that because you're going to do it. You're making clear to me that you absolutely plan on violating this order.
No, I don't.
Well, then why?
I haven't.
Well, then your focus should just be on how can I avoid doing this order. If you're saying people lie, yes, that's why we have courts. Otherwise, we wouldn't need a court system, Mr. Bjorn. Can someone call up and say
So then you're saying that the court system is supposed to rectify the lies?
Okay.
That didn't happen today.
Yeah, and you know what most people do when they disagree with me? They file an appeal. They don't rant, rave, scream so that, yes, I could just, believe it or not, I could hear you ranting in here to your parents and telling them all about the case. Most people just walk out of here and say, boy, that judge blew it. I'm going to file an appeal, but not you. You're going to take care of things your own way, and that's exactly what I'm worried about, is that you won't use the court system. You're going to use your own methods, and that's what I'm worried about. Use the courts.
I haven't used my own methods in any time.
Good.
I've used the courts.
Screaming and yelling is your own methods, and I'm just not convinced.
Being
of that.
upset on my personal time is okay. I've never been upset today.
You just proved to me that you can abide by this order, and you focus on this. Don't worry about what you can't control. Can you control it if she lies? No. Can you control it if you stay away from her and don't contact her? Yes. Focus
Yes.
on what you can control.
that's what I'm
Focus
gonna
on what
do.
you can control. And here's the other thing
But
you
I
can
can't
control.
control
If you're
hers.
going to talk back at me, I am going to have you hauled away. Okay? So just focus on what you can control and don't worry about what you can't. If she lies, then you plead not guilty, you get an attorney, and that will be easier because in a criminal case you can have one appointed, and then you present a case, and your attorney will assist you. Okay? That's how you do it. But screaming, yelling, threatening doesn't get you anywhere. Okay? Okay. I know I haven't convinced you of anything. Now, with these signatures, and keep it down. I did say you could talk to your parents, but not so loud that I have to continue to listen to you. Okay? I'm only 20 feet away. Now, you still need copies of this order. My fault that I didn't get it the first time. That's all on me. Same thing though. Same plan. Down the hall. She'll meet you there. You stay here. Quietly talk with your parents about the injustice of everything Whatcom County.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Did you address the law enforcement
Oh,
issue?
no. Keep getting distracted. All right. It is further ordered that the clerk of the court shall order. Okay, now, yes, and I usually don't fill this in. I think Ms. Ludeman usually fills this in for me. I'm just use her as a crutch. It's King County. Do we know the jurisdiction of where he lives?
Your Honor, if he is saying today that he lives in King County, then I guess we can
King
say
County
that he
Sheriff?
lives in King County.
I'll put that on here.
And as I've done before, I'll update
No,
the
no, no,
courts
no.
if I move, so they'll have a new address.
Why? You just feel the need to talk all the time.
I'm sorry, I just wanted the court to know that I'm not trying to avoid the court with my address. I've wanted the court to know my
I've
address.
not accused you of avoiding anybody.
Your Honor, may I ask a question?
Yes.
Does the Whatcom County Sheriff need a copy because Ms. Brown also has a residence here?
And that's the second part here. I'll mark that too. Yes. Okay, I've marked both of those. Okay. So you stay here, room 401.
Until proven
Court's adjourned.
innocent.